All right, we're recording, guys. Thanks again for the fill. This is Flawless Soccer. Break number 42. Flawless Soccer break, no, not 42, 52, sorry. Flawless Soccer break number 52. It should be number 52. There are the teams left. For the random, we're going to do a 12-spot, 12-winner random. Good luck. 12-spot, 12-winner random. Here are the people in the random. Anarita, Marek, Rich for 3, Alpine, Pine Tar, Claudio, Fanatic, Mamba Out, Mon, and Julian. 12 spots. All right, we're going to roll the dice. I'm going to roll the dice. We're going 9 times. 9 times. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3. We're going 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wow, really? Rich is not having a good day with the randomizer. Sorry, Rich. Anarita Marek. Wow, Marek again is going to end up with the team I think he always ends up with. I don't know how he does it. Yeah, seriously, Rich. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. Anyway. Sorry, Alpine. My apologies, man. Anyway, guys, let me print this out. Wow, dead last for Mamba. Jeez. Anarita got top spot. Anarita, would you like Spain, Netherlands, Uruguay? Those are your choices. Let me know. I'm printing that out right now. Spain. Yeah, I guess so. I don't. You somehow always end up with the Netherlands. I don't know. Is that who you want? I assume. Spain goes to Anarita. Marek, you're up. You got it. Netherlands. Netherlands goes to Ecstasy. Hey, believe me, Anarita has her tough days as well. Pine Tar, you're up. Yeah, honestly, she does. I mean, she buys a lot of spots, but, you know, she's just always in almost every one, so she's going to have some luck sometimes. Uruguay goes... Someone take Uruguay? Who's up? Pine Tar, you're up. Uruguay, Mexico, Ivory Coast is what's left. Answer to your question is no and no to both, man. Neither one of them hit. Pine Tar took Uruguay. And Julian took Mexico. All right, so Uruguay and Mexico are gone. Yeah, to answer your, actually, I don't think any of the remaining, the only team that hit in the last break was Atletico hit a gem card. Other than that, none of these other teams hit. Ivory Coast for Mon. After Mon, Rich for 2. Galatasaray and Chile. Galatasaray and Chile. What the heck is going on here? Why it just opens shit up by itself. All right, now there we go. That's better. Galatasaray and Chile are gone. Fnatic, you're up, followed by Claudio. Zenit for the Fnatic. All right, Zenit's gone. Claudio, Bosnia. Okie dokie. Alpine, Rich, and then Mamba. Alpine. Wow, my computer is going haywire. All right, guys. Sorry, I just had to take care of something there. Who do we have left? Atletico Madrid. Bosnia went to Claudio. Alpine, who did you take? Did he take someone? I don't know. Did Alpine pick or he left? But I don't know what he picked. I guess Alpine. Did anyone? I guess Alpine didn't pick. All right. Please pick my wallets, please. All right, we're gonna give him the next one up. I guess Alpine's gonna get Atletico. Who's up next? Rich, would you like Switzerland or Cameroon? Sorry, guys, I got sidetracked there. Alpine left and he didn't pick. I don't think he picked. At least I don't see anything there. Cameroon. And last but not least, Switzerland goes to Mamba. Let's check something really quick here. Who had France in the last one? Francia. Jay, you here? You only had France in the last one, right? You didn't buy France in both, or did you buy them in both? No France. All right. I guess I didn't. I guess I'm getting France. I guess I forgot to sell France, but oh well. Here we go. These are our teams for number 52. Milan is Kim, Dominic, Ajax, Fnatic, Argentina, Brazil, Marek, Nordi, Croatia, Mamba out, England, Barcelona, the Fnatic, Bayern, Jay, Italy, War Turtles, Germany, Maika, Anarita, Belgium, Antonio, Borussia Dortmund, Colombia, Anarita, Poland, Marek, Group Sauce, which is Rich and George, Portugal, Paris Saint-Germain is Paula, injured reserve, Real is Chevy, Serbia, Daniel, USA, Joshua. Atletico is Alpine, Ice, Bosnia, Claudio. Groupster has Cameroon. Rich also has Chile, the Fnatic, Zenit. France is mine. I did not sell that accidentally. Galatasaray, Rich, Amman, Ivory Coast, Mexico, Julian, Marek, Netherlands, Anarita, Spain, Mamba out, Switzerland, and Pine Tar is Corey. Yeah, I guess somehow, I don't know why France got left out, but I guess I somehow left France out of the transfer, but I'm not going to hold it up. Let me pull a 101 France. Alright, guys. Good luck, good luck. Let's hope this is sick. That first box was kind of mediocre. First box was pretty mediocre, so we're hoping we hit something big. I mean, we did hit a 101, but nothing, nothing to write home about. Alright, there we go. I didn't see myself, so I'm going to be just as surprised as you guys. A little bit on the fatty side, little bit on the fatty side. Good luck, everyone. Let's hope we pull some sickness out of here. Good luck, good luck. Alright, first card. Wow, next one's kind of nice. First card, Luke Shaw of England. Luke Shaw of England, 11 of 20. Luke Shaw. That's not going in there properly. Luke Shaw. Who's got England in this one? England in this one. Mamba out. Nice sleight of hand. Mamba out. Number 52. All right, next one's pretty nice. Who's got this team? Colombia and Anarita, 3 of 5. Not the best of players, but that is a sick UEFA Champions League soul of the game. I guess that's part of his shoe. Very nice. Nice looking card. There you go. Anarita, 3 of 5. Freddie Montero. Freddie Montero. So Freddie Montero goes to Anarita. All right, next hit. Good luck. Marcelo, Real Madrid. Real Madrid and Marcelo. Real Madrid goes to Chevy, I think, right? Yep, Chevy. That's all you. Real Madrid. No, it's not a 130. This is a 130. Chevy. Next up, Inglaterra, England, 11 of 20, Josh Hart. Josh Hart is England again. England, of course. Mamba out. Mamba out. Yeah, I just gotta get that one in there. I honestly hope it's one of the big guys. I really hope we can pull one. I mean, this case has been pretty mediocre, so I'm thinking it hopefully is. England, Mamba out. Next up. Oh, wow, that's sick. Who's got that? Oh, that's pretty nice, the next one. United States of America, Clint Dempsey. Clint Dempsey. USA, Joshua. 21 of 25, blackjack. Hey, maybe it's on the inside too. You never know. I've pulled multiple cards all the time. Joshua. Heck, we've had like 5 hits with England sometimes, or Germany. All right, this next one's pretty nice. This next one is very nice. Look at this one. Xavi Hernandez, 5 of 5 for Barcelona. Sickness on the whatever the heck that is. Barcelona. Congratulations to the Fanatic. There you go, Chris. That's a nice one. That one goes to Barcelona, which is the Fanatic. Fanatic, got yourself 5 of 5 Xavi Hernandez. Last hit outside the box goes to Italia, 23 of 25, Christian Vieri. Italia. Who grabbed Italia? That is Simon and the War Turtles. War Turtles, Simon. All right, good luck, everyone. I'm going in the box. Good luck. Come on, please. Be something sick. Be something sick. Italia, Fabio Cannavaro. Second hit for Italy. That is again Simon and the War Turtles. Jan Vertonghen, 5 of 15 for Belgium. Jan Vertonghen, 5 of 15 for Belgium. Belgium goes to Anarita. All right, guys, good luck. Last hit. Let's hope for something sick coming up. Good luck, good luck. Pointing to the sky. 5 of 25, Lionel Messi. Good thing you grabbed Argentina as... Whoa, what happened to my computer here? Wow, something seriously crazy is going on here, guys. Wow. Anyway, my screen is going nuts. Hopefully this is still... Yeah, it's still broadcasting. Sorry, Brian, one time. Yeah, it was one time for the Fanatic. Yeah, Chris definitely did crush it. Good thing you grabbed Argentina to go along with Barcelona. Sorry, I know Simon, sorry I couldn't get him for you, but just to be fair, I had to give him to the guy that had him in the last case. 5 of 25. Wow, this, okay, we're back. Congrats, Fanatic. 5 of 25, Lionel Messi. Yeah, I know, Chevy. Sorry, man. The Fanatic. This, yeah, this product is just, you know, kind of high stakes gambling, basically. 52. Lionel Messi. Hey, we've been last two cases we pulled. These last two cases I got from this was another Steel City case, and last one was a Ronaldo. This one was or was it two Messis? Can't remember, but the other one had a Messi or a Ronaldo also. It was the one right before the Nationals. Yeah, Dortmund's hard to hit with. They only have 600 and something hits, I think, in the whole product. All right, let's do a quick recap on this one, guys. The patch cards, Luke Shaw and Freddie Montero, 11 of 20, 3 of 5. Mamba out on Luke Shaw, Anarita on Freddie Montero. Chevy, that's all I got for you, man. Sorry. Marcelo, 20 of 25 for Real. Mamba out also got this. Joe Hart, 11 of 20. USA, Joshua, 21 of 25. Clint Dempsey. Then we had War Turtles, Simon, Italy, 9 of 10. And also War Turtles, Christian Vieri, Bobo, 23 of 25. Those two go to Simon. And this one here, well, that was also Chris. Let's save that for the end. Anarita, 5 of 15. For Belgium, that was Vertonghen. And then this little baby here for Barcelona, 5 of 5 for Chris. And then 5 of 25 for Argentina and the Fanatic. Thanks again, guys. Anyway, let me end the tape here.